Ka Jingpeit Bniah jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE ya ka Thup Kiba wan shakmat na ka result exam High Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC haka santri ujeliau arajar saw ka bakala pentep bakadon ka Jingpeit kala Hadien ka Jingpeit bet biang ki paper tho exam ki khna kala long kum ka Jingmen toy na ka benta ki khna ki blawan shakmat chu Hadien ka Jingpha pen bet biang ya ki paper exam jongki namar ka Jingbom sohun ya ka Jingyo marks haka commerce stream Kasena Anthony High Secondary School kalayo bandrung biang ka Thup top 10 Hadien baka khna puli jongka ka monitam Roy kalawan na kakerdan ka bashpo pat ka balayo shispa marks haka subject business studies nakani ka Jingpeit bet biang haka science stream u arga deep ghosh u khna puli Don Bosco College tura ularung sha kakerdan bakhandai haka Thup top 10 kupa jong arga deep ulapen pau ka jinglingo ka score sheet haswa ka Jingpha pen bet biang namar udai ukhna bawana ka kerdan baar hak result secondary school living certificate SSLC arajar arpuar na loru arga deep kidon sa laingut kiwe pat kibla runglang ha ka Thup top 10 na ka Jingpeit bet result HSSLC science stream pat arngut kidei ki papoy ka kerdan ka bakndai pat iwe pat ka kerdan balai kini ki arngut ki barung ka kerdan bakndai ki Thup ya ka bala risuk mirya jonga sen and High Secondary bad udep deep chanda jongka Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ubala rung sya ka kerdan balai pat udei aniket patanayak ka Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School nakini ki don saki khna ki bana ka Jingpeit Bniah result ka badang shen ki bopoi hakiwe ki division hindai menta na ka Jingpeit bet biang la pau pat bopoi shaki division ba shakmat na ka science stream ki Thup yo chance kem walang ka sen and High Secondary School ubala poi shaka first division na ka second division ka naki bahun marbenyang na ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College ka bala poi na ka second division shaka first division bat ka man bahalin khongwer na Lidkin College ka bala poi na ka second division shaka first division Nangta ka Astha Kumari jong Shillong Jail Road Boys High Secondary School Shillong kabala 1 shaka kerdan second division na ka third division haka jingyo banekren bot aniket patanayak badu dep deep chanda kilapan paw baka Jingpha pen bet biang yaki paper ka day namar ka Jingbom hun jongki yaki marks ki bakiyo
I'm really very happy and very much satisfied that now this rank and the increment and marks in my marks represent the true efforts I had put in. Actually, I was not very satisfied with the marks in some of the subjects which I had received. So hence I applied for the photocopy and consequently for the revaluation.
I can't express my feelings, so yeah, I am very happy that I am able to represent my school and make my school proud. So that's it. As Aniket has said earlier also that he was also not satisfied. So same thing only, I was not satisfied with my marks. So yeah, I have applied for re-evaluation and by God grace, so I have secured 9th rank.
Habayo banekren baka principal ka Laban Bengali Boys ka Jonah Goswami ka laong baka ni ka Jingpha pen bet ka Julong Barbor khanang bakan don ka Jingkhu Jingsuba ha ka Jing ai marks ki khna na lor kata ka lapen paru i ka Jing songkhia ha lor ka Jing bakla ha ka Jing khen ki marks bandon ki papel ha ki subject patong bakino kai kin hab banda pet binya ba shua south sansien ya ki paper shua ban ai ki marks.
But that where I have seen that case which you have been talking about, that is one instance which is slightly worrisome to us as teachers and also us as guardians, because we are all there for the betterment of our students. But as I really do not know what this case was, but I have seen that is actually something which needs to be given a serious thought. Probably, as far as I could feel, probably this student had secured good marks in other subjects and probably had not been able to clear one compulsory subject. So maybe that was an issue which led to him failing, because otherwise someone failing and then getting a first div is very difficult to justify. The one reason could be that he could probably have not cleared one of the main papers, because commerce has their main papers as economics, English, and then accountancy, business studies. So probably that could be a reason. Other than that, honestly, I can't see any other reason behind that happening. but we are all a part of the Meghalaya Board of School Education, and over the years, Meghalaya Board of School Education has become tremendously professional in their dealings with, be it examination or other related affairs. And of course, we are always there to find fault, definitely, but I'm very sorry to say, but none of us actually bothered to congratulate MBOSE when, in spite of 2 years being COVID years, when no other board in the country dared to take an examination, MBOSE did, and did it well. So I think there they need a pat on the back. But yes, MBOSE is a combination not just of MBOSE officials, but we, the schools, we are under it. From here, the evaluators go, who examine the teachers. And let us teachers who go as the evaluators, let us understand the responsibility which lie on our shoulders when we take up the role of an evaluator of a board exam. Let us realize that a student whom we term as fail, we need to go through that paper perhaps 4 to 5 times to be certain about that yes, this student, there is no scope of the student to get through, and so he has failed. Because if this has happened, it comes back to us, the teachers, who are the backbone of not only the MBOSE, but also of the society, of our students. That is what I would like to say.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro?
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai ki ration jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba, ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba, ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ladang ibam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ila banyo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mat ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jongi. Nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ke jingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke omkhnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo Haduh 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba, uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila banyo na eh.
Nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau 45.
Ba, pikirannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.